Identifying the Baltimore Orioles requires a close look at both physical stature and the specific distribution of color across the bird's plumage. Let's take a closer look. These birds are relatively substantial for the icterid family, that is, New World blackbirds, weighing between 30 and 40 grams and measuring roughly 7 to 8 inches from beak to tail, giving them a sturdy, medium-sized profile similar to that of a red-winged blackbird. The male, which we'll take a close look at in a few seconds, is striking, but let's start with the female. The female offers a much more subtle palette, designed for camouflage while nesting. Instead of the male's saturated neon tones, she displays a soft brownish yellow or olive head and a breast that ranges from a dull gold to a muted orange. Her back is typically a mottled grayish-brown, streaked with dull yellow, and she is easily identified by two distinct white wing bars on her darker wings. And what about the male? Defined by a deep solid black hood that completely covers his head and throat. This black extends down the back and across the wings, providing a sharp, high-contrast frame for his brilliant flame orange chest, rump, and outer tail feathers. In both sexes, the beak is a telltale feature, silver gray, thick at the base and tapering to a very sharp point, perfectly adapted for piercing fruit and gleaning insects.